Hello everybody and welcome to our celebration assembly for the week beginning the 1st of February. So first of all, we'd like to wish happy birthday to Evie in Rabbit's class, Callum in Fox's and Jeremiah in Badger's. Hope you all got lots of lovely presents and had a really special day. And now we come on to Learner of the Week and we have a look to see which children have been awarded Learner of the Week by their teachers. So Mrs. Ashton has awarded Learner of the Week to Kiara. In Rabbit's class, our Learner of the Week is Kiara for showing resilience and perseverance with her writing. We've loved seeing her home learning and she's told a fantastic innovative story based on Jack and the Beanstalk this week. Well done, Kiara. And here we have Kiara acting out her story. You've got the cow, you've got Jack, and then you've got the man selling the beans. And then you've got this absolutely fantastic story map with all the details of the story that she's going to write. Fantastic, Kiara, well done. So Miss Anstey has awarded Learner of the Week to Isla. It says, this week we've chosen Isla to be our Learner of the Week. She's really astounded us with her creativity, her dedication to learning her phase 3 and 4 tricky words and trying exceptionally hard with her writing. She described how the characters in Jack and the Beanstalk were feeling and used her creativity to come up with her own innovation. Isla has also embraced Children's Mental Health Week. We loved her response to Tchaikovsky, The Waltz of the Flowers, as she drew a picture of her brother singing on stage and with a happy audience, because this is what the music reminded her of. And there you've got 4 examples of some of the really lovely work that Isla's been doing. And we especially do love that picture of her brother dancing on the stage. Wonderful, Isla, well done. So Mrs. Britt and Mrs. Ford have awarded Learner of the Week to Matthew. Matthew is Squirrel's Learner of the Week. He has produced excellent work both at home and at school. We are particularly impressed with his amazing topic work and enjoyed the video of him reading it to us. Matthew created a fact file about all the oceans, continents and animals. It was full of amazing facts. Matthew is also a great role model and always does his best. Well done, Matthew. Now, here are some pictures of the pages in Matthew's fact file. And there you can see that he has really taken a lot of time, great care, and put in a lot of effort to produce such a lovely fact file. Absolutely brilliant work, Matthew. Fantastic, well done. Miss Saul has awarded Learner of the Week to Dougie. This week, our Learner of the Week is Dougie. He's been working so hard in and out of school, and I'm really impressed with his ideas for our creative writing unit. Beautiful handwriting too. Well done, Dougie. There you've got all of his ideas written down, beautiful handwriting, and you can see that he's taken a lot of time to think these ideas through and put into a lot of effort into make sure that it's really neatly written. So really great creative ideas. Beautiful handwriting. Well done, Dougie. Learner of the Week for Fox's class is Riley. A big well done to Riley in Fox's for working so hard with his home learning. We are especially impressed with Riley's science research about light and how well he did in the science quizzes. Also, Riley worked extra hard on his spy story in English. His creativity and imagination is inspiring and we're very proud of all his hard work. Keep it up, Riley. And there's 2 of the certificates from his quizzes. Learner of the Week for Badger's class is Carly. Carly is Learner of the Week for her amazing effort in her maths work. She's worked really hard on understanding improper fractions and mixed numbers. Carly has also shown her creativity through her paper mache volcano. We are looking forward to seeing them erupt next week. Well done, Carly. Keep up the hard work. And there you've got 4 of the pieces of work that Carly has done in maths. Brilliant. Brilliant work on improper and mixed fractions. Well done, Carly. And then finally, we've got Owl's Learner of the Week, and that is Bethan. So on the next slide, you'll see these are Bethan's volcanoes from the past week. She used vivid colours for artwork inspired by Andy Warhol, and additionally, her volcano for science geography has been made with great care. Bethan has applied multiple layers of paint to create a realistic rocky surface with molten lava erupting from the crater of her volcano. Fantastic effort and great work. Well done. So look at those absolutely brilliant vivid colours that Bethan has chosen to first of all draw her volcano and then absolutely bring it to life in her paper mache model. They're going to be making them erupt next week, and we really look forward to seeing and hearing all about that. So that's the end of our assembly for this week. Fantastic work, everybody at Woodcott School. All of you are working so hard at home and at school, really producing brilliant pieces of work, and we are all very, very proud of what you are achieving. So well done, everybody at Woodcott.